Okay, we're back this week with a door access controller from Hikvision. Lovely little standalone unit from their value range. The very easy to remember title,
DS-K1T344MBWX-QRE1.
One take.
5.
Get back behind the camera. So it's a very well made, well featured, great value door access system. I'm going to tell you a little bit about a few of its features. We'll have a look at the menus. I'll tell you what to watch out for, where you might use it. So let's get stuck in. First up, it's a standalone unit, no separate controller needed. It handles 4 authentication methods: face recognition, MyFair card, PIN and QR code. There's no fingerprint or Bluetooth, although you can open it manually from your HikConnect app. So I'll show you a couple of ways to configure this. The simplest is on the unit itself, right? So no phone, no laptop needed if you don't want. Hold down on the time, swipe across as instructed, and we get to our password screen. Now, a simple little menu in here. We can set up various things like our network setup or Wi-Fi setup. You can set up your users, most importantly, so I have a couple added in. There's me. So you can add the face just by going in here. It'll read using its own camera, add the face. You can learn on a card or a fob. We can add our PIN code. And as I said, once it's on HikConnect, we can use the app to open it. So here's HikConnect team mode, which has the access control system. So I can add users here as well. I can also issue visitor passes via QR code. So I can set up a QR code like this. I can assign it to a temporary user. I can give it valid dates. I can give it a maximum number of uses, like 10 uses, and then it expires. So let's see how that opens the door. If I send it to Bara's phone there, we'll open the door with a QR code.
Thank you.
So another feature it has, like many of these face recognition units, is face anti-spoofing. So what does that mean? Well, it doesn't fall for photographs. So even if a person's face has been uploaded to the system, it needs the actual proper human face. You can't arrive with a picture of somebody and spoof it into letting you in. And just to show that, because many people have asked who Bara is and what Bara looks like at the other side of the camera, I have a photo of Bara. He's added to the system. So we'll see, does it work?
Bruh.
Authentication failed.
No, didn't fall for it. Anti-spoofing works perfectly. So that's it for this week. We have loads of these in stock, so contact your account manager or have a look in our portal if you're set up there. Link in the description below. Thanks. DS-K1T344MBWX-QRE1. No, I'm not ready. Stop.